We're going from 2,000 feet. We're going from 2,000 feet to 4,000 feet. The cable is a mile long, and it's the same length as the tram that lived in that building there. Next door, that tram was put in 1938, and it was the first one in North America, so Cannon has a history. This tram was put in 1980, and Cannon had the first ski patrol, and back 75 years ago, we had the 10th Mountain Division training here before they went to Colorado. Down in the museum, the Free Museum, you could go in and look at a sword brought back from Mussolini's house they have down there. So there's some history. This way is Canada, north is Canada, 65 miles out there, and then, I don't know, 12 miles is Vermont. Echo Lake down there flows into the Connecticut River, which divides Vermont and New Hampshire, and Profile Lake around the corner down this way south goes in or rolls into the Pemigewasset and then into the Merrimack, and then the Merrimack goes out through Massachusetts and into the Atlantic at Newburyport. Over here to my right we have Franconia Ridge. Mount Lafayette is up there over 5,000 feet. The Appalachian Mountain Trail goes along that whole long ridge, and the trail goes from Georgia to Maine, and the roughest part is in New Hampshire, and you can look up there and see why they say that. The trail also is now extended beyond Maine. You could take extensions through Nova Scotia now if 2,200 miles isn't enough for you. The trees with berries are mountain ash. So you'll see a lot of mountain ash, and then a lot of the birch trees are dead because of pretty severe ice storms. When we get to the top, there's a rim trail. You can take 10 or 15 minutes or 15 minutes to get around that, maybe 20 minutes, and there's a tower. You could go up if you want. Then when you get back, you could have beverages, food, and we have the highest beer tap in New Hampshire, and we have Cannon Ale from a local brewery in North Woodstock. No, this tram is used like the tram before in 1938. It started taking skiers up, so this tram takes skiers in the winter. And this is a trail underneath me. We have to have a lot of snow to be able to open that up, but that's a trail beneath us. Yeah, a couple feet. Okay, we can say hello to the mustard tram. We're the ketchup tram. Hello. Have you ever been, I was in Maine, have you been to the Maine Maritime Museum in Bath?
No.
That's pretty
good. We've been only the guns, yes. And also in Booth Bay.
Booth Bay?
Yeah, that's very nice.
Yeah,
really
I was in Booth Bay.
Yeah, that's very nice. Beautiful.
Yeah, small town.
Yeah. But it's small. It's not
Okay, when we go by this tower, we're going to sway a little. I don't want to hear any screaming. And you guys haven't even had a beer yet.
That was pretty good. Pretty good. I should
Okay, the trams leave every 15 minutes about, and the 5 o'clock's the last tram down.
Yeah, exactly. We weren't able to see him.
Bear group, we can't stay that late.
No, I wasn't very.
What time we leaving? Oh, Mikey, what time are we leaving?
When do you want to leave?
Here we go.
What time?
How long does it take to drink a beer?
That's the correct answer.
Just one. Why we stopped at one?
Did you hear that, Shorty? He said that's correct.
Okay, we may bump a little, bump a little.
It's up to you. You want to do 3:30?
3:30.
3:30 tram down, guys. 3:30 tram.
Or if you want to come before that, that's fine, but you need to be coming down by 3.
Het is op die zet hem Just want to strap on way back and take some.
Thanks for Watch your step.
Are you
No
going back
rush.
down again?
It's no rush.
Are you going right down? Oh, you going back down?
The color.